Welcome to our guide on Discover Japan 2024. Get ready to immerse yourself in a land of captivating contrasts where ancient traditions meld seamlessly with modern marvels. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan offers an unforgettable journey for every traveler. We'll explore the top cities, restaurants, and tourist spots, uncover hidden culinary gems, navigate bustling markets, and delve into the heart of Japanese culture. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure as we unveil the wonders of Japan together. Our first stop is the vibrant metropolis of Tokyo, a city that blends the old and the new. Ascend Tokyo Tower for panoramic views, where skyscrapers pierce the sky alongside temples. Step back in time at Asakusa Temple, a testament to Buddhist heritage. Wander through Nakamizidori Market for traditional crafts and local delicacies. Tokyo is a feast for the senses, offering a glimpse into Japan's dynamic culture. Next, we venture to Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan and a true cultural treasure trove. Prepare to be mesmerized by the golden Kinkakuji Temple, also known as the Golden Pavilion, its shimmering reflection glistening on the pond's surface. Lose yourself in the enchanting Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, where towering bamboo stalks create an ethereal atmosphere. Kyoto's serene beauty and historical significance will transport you to a bygone era. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds in Osaka, Japan's culinary capital. Explore the vibrant Dotonbori district, where neon lights illuminate street food stalls. From savory takoyaki to fluffy okonomiyaki, Osaka offers an explosion of flavors. Try kushikatsu, deep-fried skewers. Osaka's cuisine will leave you craving for more. Chapter 4. Sapporo embrace the winter wonderland. For an unforgettable winter experience, head north to Sapporo, the capital of Hokkaido. Witness the magical Sapporo Snow Festival, where ice sculptures transform the city. Warm up with a steaming bowl of Sapporo ramen, known for its rich miso broth. From skiing to indulging in seafood, Sapporo offers a unique winter adventure. Chapter 5. Hiroshima, a city of peace and resilience. Our journey takes us to Hiroshima, a city marked by history but radiating hope. Pay respects at the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, a symbol of peace. Visit the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum to learn about the city's resilience. Hiroshima's story is a testament to overcoming adversity and striving for a brighter future. Chapter 6. Sushi Saito, a symphony of flavors. Experience unparalleled sushi at Sushi Saito, a 3-Michelin-starred restaurant in Tokyo. Watch as Master Chef Takashi Saito crafts each piece with precision, using the freshest ingredients. From delicate tuna to melt-in-your-mouth uni, every bite is a symphony of flavors and textures. A meal at Sushi Saito is not just food, but an art form. Chapter 7. Kikunoi, the art of kaiseki dining. Immerse yourself in the elegance of traditional Japanese dining at Kikunoi. Experience kaiseki, a multi-course art form showcasing seasonal ingredients. Each dish is a masterpiece, crafted to delight both palate and eye. From delicate soups to intricately arranged sashimi, Kikunoi offers refined Japanese haute cuisine. Chapter 8. Dotonbori, where the night comes alive. As dusk settles, return to Osaka's Dotonbori district. Witnessing its vibrant nightlife, streets come alive with neon lights, inviting exploration of hidden alleyways and bustling restaurants. Indulge in a steaming bowl of ramen or savor smoky yakitori grilled chicken skewers. Dotonbori's energetic atmosphere and culinary delights promise an unforgettable evening. Chapter 9. Fushimi Inari Shrine, a path of 1,000 torii gates. Embark on a spiritual journey at Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of vibrant red torii gates. Wander through endless tunnels of gates, each dedicated to Inari, the patron of rice and sake. Ascend the wooded path, enjoy the serene atmosphere and panoramic views of Kyoto. Fushimi Inari Shrine is a truly magical experience. At Chapter 10, Mount Fuji, a majestic icon. No trip to Japan is complete without witnessing the majestic beauty of Mount Fuji. Visit during climbing season, July to September, to conquer the summit and see a breathtaking sunrise. Even if you don't climb, there are plenty of scenic spots to admire Mount Fuji's grandeur. The mountain's serene presence is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching our guide on Discover Japan 2024. We hope this video has inspired you to experience Japan. From bustling cities to serene temples, Japan offers something for everyone. Immerse yourself in the culture, savor the food, and embrace the beauty around you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Start planning your Japanese adventure today.